us, in this video, our focus is on chapter 8 of LEKKI HEADMASTER. Our focus is on expo questions. So I'll be giving you expo questions on this book. I'll be giving you expo questions from chapter 8 of LEKKI HEADMASTER. At the end of this very video, you should be able to answer JAMB questions that will come from chapter 8. Remember that our goal in this channel is for you to score 300 and above, at least 300 and above. So I want you to pay great attention to this video. I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end. Also, if you watch this very video from beginning to the end, I'm going to do something for you. I will give you free gift, and that gift will be, I'm going to give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions. Free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions. These are the tools you need that will help you to score 300 and above. So let us focus on chapter 8 and look at questions that JAMB will set from it. Recall also that we have done these questions from chapter 1. We have done videos on chapter 1. I've done videos on chapter 2, chapter 3. LEKKI HEADMASTER is about 12 chapters. I've paid attention to each of the chapters, doing videos on them for you, because I want you to hit 300 and above. If you believe it and you claim 300 and above, comment or tell me under the comments, say, I claim it, 300 and above. The 300 and above will not fall from the moon. So let us begin to work hard. Let me begin to give you the expo questions that you should expect from this very book. Chapter 8, question number 1. What major issues remained unresolved as Beppo prepared to leave Nigeria? I want to give you an assignment. The assignment is for you. Come under the comment section and tell me the title of chapter 8 of LEKKI HEADMASTER. Just tell me the title. What major issue remained unresolved as Beppo prepared to leave Nigeria? A school expansion project. B, a legal dispute between two families of Stardom students. C, a pending salary dispute among teachers. D, the sudden resignation of the vice principal. The answer is B, a legal dispute between two families of Stardom students. Remember that there was this family, one is from maybe APC, the other is from another political party, and the two students that were contesting for position, prefect position, it resulted in a quarrel that even went beyond the school. Okay. Question number 2 from chapter 8 of LEKKI HEADMASTER. How did the dispute between Banky and Tosh start? A, they fought over a girl in school. B, their fathers were political rivals. C, it began during a school dance competition. D, Banky accused Tosh of stealing his book. The answer is C, it began during a school dance competition. This is something that I think happened while they were still in JS 3. That is why you need to read LEKKI HEADMASTER. If you have not read the book, or if you have not gotten the book, I have done something for you. I have read the book for you, chapter by chapter. I brought out one video and read chapter 1 and reviewed it. I brought out another video. I read chapter 2, I reviewed it, and kept uploading it for you. I have reviewed that book and read that book chapter by chapter from chapter 1 till chapter number 12. Now, if you want me to give you that videos I've done free of charge, let me know so that I can give you the link to all the videos we have done on LEKKI HEADMASTER, both reviewing it, both reading it chapter by chapter, and also the questions to expect from LEKKI HEADMASTER. If you need them, just let me know. That is when you watch this video from beginning to the end. What role did the prefect election play in the conflict? What role did the prefect election play in the conflict? That is conflict between the two parents. A, Banky insulted Tosh's father during his campaign speech. B, Tosh bribed students to vote for him. C, the election result was manipulated. D, Banky and Tosh both lost the election. The answer is A, Banky insulted Tosh's father during the campaign. He actually said that Tosh's father was an ex-convict. When you watch the video, reading and review, you will see this. What was the offensive statement Banky made during his speech? A. My opponent is a lazy student who doesn't deserve your vote. B. Instead of voting for the son of an ex-convict, cast your vote for me. C. Vote wisely. Don't let a fool lead you. D. I am the only qualified candidate here. Tell me the answer in the comment. I've given you an expo already while explaining question 3. So come on the comment and tell me the answer of question 4. Why did Tosh father Chief Didi Oba feel offended by Banky's statement? A. He had actually been convicted of a crime. B. He was a well-respected politician and lawyer. C. He had been detained for corruption charges but was later cleared. D. He was falsely accused of theft by the school management. The answer is C. He had been detained for corruption charges but was later released. I want you to don't just watch this video for watching sake. Pay attention. I spend my time daily. I spend my time daily making videos for you, dropping it on Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. I don't want you to joke with it. Once you see any video, pay attention, learn from it, jot down important facts so that you will score 300 and above, which is our target. Everyone following Noble Tutorials, 300 and above, no going back. Number 6. What was Chief Oba's demand for resolving the issue? What was Chief Oba's demand for resolving the issue? A. Banky must be expelled from Stardom School. B. Banky and his parents must apologize publicly and in writing. C. Banky must withdraw from the election. D. Banky must face a disciplinary panel. What is the answer? The answer, as you know, is B. Banky and his parents must apologize publicly and in writing. All right. How did Banky's parents react to Chief Oba's demands? How did Banky's parents react to Chief Oba's demand? Okay. They apologized immediately. B. They refused, arguing that their son never mentioned Oba's name directly. Can you imagine? Your son insulted somebody and you are talking a different thing. But that is politicians for you, because both parents, both the man and the other man were also politicians. They withdrew Banky from the school. D. They agreed to settle the matter in court. The answer is B. They refused, arguing that the son never mentioned Chief Oba's name directly. Okay, question number 8. What did the school management do to resolve the issue? What did the school management do? Remember, what is the name of the school? What is the name of the school? Tell me in the comment section. What is the name of? Just tell me everything you know about the school and the principal of the school. If you have been following the videos I've been dropping from chapter 1 to this chapter 8, you should know the stories about the school. The school is actually in Lagos. Just tell me what you know. It's a popular story. Just tell me, summarize the whole thing for me. What did the school management do to resolve the issue? A. Suspend both Banky and Tosh. B. Try to settle the matter through alternative dispute resolution. C. Expelled Banky for making the offensive remark. D. Banned both families from attending school event. The answer is C. The answer is B actually. The school tried to settle the matter through alternative dispute resolution. That is, they tried, instead of going to court, to settle it among themselves. Question number 9. What was the breadth project that Beppo was worried about leaving behind? Remember, Beppo wants to leave. He wants to leave the school. He wants to leave Nigeria and relocate to where? Tell me in the comment section. Tell me where Beppo was relocating to. Then tell me who he's going to meet over there. So, but as he was locating, there were other projects. There were some projects in the school called Breadth Project. What is it about? A music and drama club for students. B. A project aimed at producing a phone using recycled materials. C. A school sanitation initiative. D. A community outreach program. The answer is B. A project aimed at producing a phone using recycled materials. Using what? Recycled materials. Remember, this information I'm giving you is so essential. Don't just watch this video. Also, at the end of this video, I'm giving you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllabus for you. Free JAMB past questions, free JAMB syllabus for you. Number 10, the last of the questions we'll look at in chapter 8. What was Bepo's final hope regarding the BREAD project? He was leaving the BREAD project behind. Remember, I told you to tell me the full name of Bepo. What was Bepo's final hope regarding the BREAD project? A, that the project would be abandoned after he left. B, that the student will complete it and he would return for the launch of the project. C, that the government would fund the project. D, that another teacher would take full ownership of it. Let me read the options again. What was Bepo's final hope regarding the BREAD project? Remember, the BREAD project was about producing a phone through recycled materials. Okay, his final hope was that the project would be abandoned after he left. No, his final hope actually was that the student would complete the project even in his absence, and that he will return to Nigeria no matter where he was when the project was going to be launched. Right? In the next video, we are going to continue with chapter number 9. Remember, if you need me to give you videos, all the videos, over 40 videos we've done so far on Lekki Headmaster, free of charge. I will give it to you free of charge. Okay, if you need past questions, if you need me to send you free past question, free syllabus, just do this in number 1, join our YouTube channel. You can see a link, you can see the option on top of our channel to join. Just join our YouTube channel, then like this video, then share this video. Just click on share it on YouTube, copy the link, share the link on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, on all the platforms where, all the groups where there are JAMB candidates. Then also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Once you click on subscribe, come under the comment and type I have subscribed. Just join our channel, like, share, subscribe. Once you subscribe, come under the video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send all the materials to you. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it and watch it now.